Hi students, I am discussing to the type of organic reactions. Organic reactions majorly classified to the three types: substitution reactions, addition reactions, elimination reactions. Reagents are classified to the majorly three types: nucleophiles, electrophile and free radicals. What is the meaning of nucleophile means? These are electron rich atom or group of atoms. Nucleophile attack to the substrate electron deficiency place. For example, this reaction alkyl halide ethyl bromide. Bromine is electronegative atom compared to the carbon. The sigma electrons are partially polarized to the bromine atom. That's why this carbon carries positive charge. This is electron deficiency place. This electron deficiency place attack to the nucleophile. This bromide nucleophile replaced to the cyanide. Examples: ammonium anion, hydroxyl anion, cyanide anion, hydrogen anion. These are electrophile is nothing but these are consist to the positive charge. These are generally cations. These are attacked to the substrate electron rich places. For example, this is the benzene. Benzene inside pi electrons are delocalized. These pi electrons are responsible for the nucleophilicity, that is electron rich place. That electron rich place attack to the electrophile. Electrophile attack to the substrate electron rich places. Substrate is nothing but generally reaction pattern: substrate react with reagent by the formation of intermediate convert to the product. The reagent electrophile, substrate electron excess places. The reagent nucleophile, substance electron deficiency places added. This is free radicals. Free radicals generated from the UV light cases. Free radical nothing but they containing odd electrons, generally 5, 7, 8. The types of organic reactions. The first one, substitution reaction. The substrate atoms or groups replaced to the reagent atoms or groups. Generally, substrate nucleophile replaces to the reagent nucleophile. Substrate electrophile replaces to the reagent electrophile. The substitution reactions are classified to the three types: electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution, free radical substitutions. Nucleophilic substitution in aliphatic compounds, aromatic compounds. Methyl bromide. The bromide nucleophile replaces to the cyanide. This mechanism is called SN2. Benzyl chloride. The chlorine nucleophile replaces to the amine groups. This is aniline. This is aromatic nucleophilic substitution. This is aliphatic nucleophilic substitution. This is aromatic compound. Electrophilic substitution reactions with aromatic compound. Benzene is the aromatic compound. Aromatic compound generally alternate to double bonds. In benzene, alternate to double bonds. Every carbon sp2 hybridization. Satisfy to the Huckel rule. In this aromatic compound, hydrogen electrophile substituted to the nitro electrophile by the formation of nitrobenzene. Generally, aromatic compounds major reactions for the electrophilic substitution reactions: benzene, phenol, benzoic acids, pyrrole, furan. Any of the aromatic compound, the major reactions is electrophilic substitution reactions. Benzene electrophile substituted to the reagent electrophile. This is aromatic electrophilic substitution. This is aliphatic electrophilic substitution. Alcohol react with sodium metal. The sodium replaces to the hydrogen atom. This is sodium methoxide. This is free radical substitution reactions. Methane react with chlorine in presence of UV light. The chlorine converted to the radicals. This is odd of electrons. The methane converted to the radicals. These two radicals reacted by the formation of methyl chloride. This is the substitution reactions. Substitution reactions majorly occur to the organic compounds ending with nucleophile. Substitution reactions ఏ compounds లో జరుగుతాయంటే organic compounds ending with nucleophile. Alcohol, acids, alkyl halides, acid derivatives. Organic compounds ending with nucleophile, that compounds major reactions is substitution reactions. Substitution reactions generally two mechanisms, SN1 and SN2. Acids, acid derivatives, alcohols, alkyl halides, amines, aromatic compounds. These are total compounds. Major reactions is substitution reactions. Addition reactions, the reagent total added to the substrate by the formation of product. Addition reactions majorly occur to the double bonded compounds and triple bonded compounds. Examples: aldehydes, ketones, alkenes, alkynes, nitriles, isonitriles. These are total double bonded and triple bonded compounds. Addition reactions classified to the nucleophilic addition reactions, electrophilic addition reactions, free radical addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions majorly to the carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones. In carbonyl compounds, first nucleophile is added, that is aldehydes nucleophilic addition reactions. The electrons move to carbon to oxygen, formation of carbocation. This carbocation attack to the nucleophile. Electrophilic addition reactions majorly to the alkenes and alkynes. In the alkenes, the pi electrons acts as a nucleophile. That nucleophile attack to the reagent electrophile. Alkenes, alkynes, nitrates, isonitriles. Electrophilic addition reactions is possible. Radical addition reactions possible to the alkenes by the formation of polymer. Similarly, addition reactions classified to the nucleophilic, electrophilic. How it is decided? The first nucleophile added to the carbonyl, that is aldehydes nucleophilic addition reactions. Alkynes first added to the reagent electrophile, that's why electrophilic addition reactions. Elimination reactions. Elimination reactions total opposite to the addition reactions. The substrate atoms or groups removed by the formation of double bonded, triple bonded compounds. Elimination reactions majorly to the alcohols and alkyl halides. Major mechanisms E1 mechanism and E2 mechanism. Nucleophilic elimination is nothing but the base acts as a nucleophile. Base accept to the proton, generation of carbanion. This carbanion replaced to the bromine. This carbanion nucleophile replaced to the bromine nucleophile by the formation of alkene. Alcohols in elimination reaction by the formation of alkenes. Electrophilic elimination reaction is nothing but acid catalyst. Acid donate to the proton. This proton acts as a electrophile. This proton donate to the nucleophile by the formation of carbocation. The acid donate to the proton, convert to the conjugate base. Conjugate base accept to the proton. This electron shifted to the side by the formation of alkenes. Cracking of alkenes is nothing but bigger alkenes converted to the smaller alkenes. This is elimination reactions. This is elimination reaction. The mechanism is cracking of alkenes. Free radical elimination reaction mechanism possible to the bigger alkenes convert to the smaller alkenes. This is the elimination reactions. Addition, elimination, totally opposited. This is the types of organic reactions in organic chemistry.